video, we'll explore alphas. The alpha palette includes a range of grayscale images, commonly referred to as alphas. These images are similar to displacement maps, with closer areas appearing brighter and distant areas typically much darker. We can enhance this palette by adding alpha images either by importing custom alphas from disk, or by extracting the depth information from the viewport output as alpha. We can also export alphas as an image file in various formats. In contrast to conventional 8-bit grayscale images, which contain 256 shades of gray, ZBrush generated alphas are 16-bit images featuring over 65,000 shades of gray. Alphas can also be converted into stencils, textures, or intricate 3D meshes. Let's select an alpha image from the palette and run a few quick tests. As we've already learned, we can change the application method of our brush. With the alphas, that works very well. Using the drag rectangle, we pull our alpha image onto the surface from the center out. Just like with a conventional brush, we are able to set whether we want to add or subtract material. If desired, we can also modify the alpha images within the software. For that, we go up to the alpha palette and in the section Modify, we can blur our alpha image. We can introduce noise to the alpha image. We can change tiles. Increase the contrast. Radial blur. Or change the intensity of the picture. And if all that doesn't lead to the desired result, we can fine-tune the alpha image with a curve. We also have the option to create alpha in ZBrush and blend them seamlessly into each other. In the next video, we'll examine that.